Hello guys, welcome for today's class. My name is Nelson. Today we are going to look at wiring diagram of the two-way switch and their application. As you can see on the diagram, we have a two-way switches placed at different points. This is where you see a two-way switch as a L common, L1 and L2. Also on the other side we have L common, L1 and L2. But this, in our case here, you can see on a diagram we have a two-way switch made possible by an intermediate switches in order for our two-way switches to work perfectly, to be able to control our pulp from different intervals. But before we continue, between two-way switch and intermediate switch, we have the wires connected from a two-way switch to an interval of intermediate switch. These wires are called strappers. This is what we call strappers, connect from a two-way switch to the intermediate switches. As you can see on the diagram, let us look at its applications. Two-way switch has many applications, but for today let us two-way switch is applied in these cases where we have a staircases lighting. That's number one. Where the number two, where it is applied, is we have always lighting, where you have big all. This all have maybe two entrances, have an entrance on another side and another exit, so we can apply this two-way switch. Another area is bedroom lighting, where you can have one switch at the door, another switch near the bed. What I'm trying to say is this: two-way switch is applied in areas with multiple entrances, where it is convenient to turn lights on and off from different points. And that is the common uses of a two-way switch. Thank you my viewers for today's class. Don't forget to smash that like button, share and subscribe to my channel for more classes to come. Thank you.